Kia ora tātou I te whānau, it's Justin here. I'm speaking to you from within the Nelson Tasman Group Emergency Operations Centre, where I'm the iwi liaison lead for this part of the Tauihu Emergency Management Response. The mission of this group is to lead the non-health operations in response to COVID-19. It's an unprecedented event, and equally an unprecedented response is needed. So over the past week, Tauihu Iwi chairs have worked quickly to mandate the establishment of an iwi coordination team, which has embedded representatives and teams right across the emergency management and health response structures within Tauihu. We're driving response efforts from the engine room, and we're working hard to ensure that all whānau are able to effectively get the support they need during this situation. Within the Nelson Tasman emergency response area over the past 24 hours, we've been working hard to coordinate communications and welfare efforts with the wider team. There has been a call centre established through the main council numbers in Nelson and Tasman and Marlborough, and they're there ready to provide immediate support to whānau in need. There are volunteer networks and fast moving consumer goods delivery systems being established, and systems to support for provisions such as kai and medication for those who need them. The local situation in terms of welfare support is changing daily, whānau, so please keep an eye on the Tauihu Comms that will come out daily. For me, that's all at the moment, so look after yourselves, and let's all work hard to keep our precious taonga, our kaumātua and our vulnerable whānau safe. He waka iki noa. Kia ora.